So the time has come. You can now buy an Ebox 2 that's fully upgraded from Go Off-Road Standard. So today we're going to put an Electro kit on this bike, so you can literally come into Go Off-Road and buy the bikes upgraded and ready to go. So you don't need to buy a bike and then upgrade it at a later point. Now, we're going to put the Electro kit on there. It takes it from 2 kilowatts to 4.2 kilowatts, so basically doubles your power, and it also makes the transition of power a lot smoother. This isn't a battery upgrade, you simply get the motor, controller and throttle. 72 volt batteries are coming out soon, so you can just add the 72 volt battery to this kit. There's no further tuning required, and you can just carry on as normal. So, we're going to crack on today, get this kit installed and show you the process. That's the ETM kit installed on this Ebox. As you'll know from the previous clips, this is now doing 4.2 kilowatt in comparison to the 2 kilowatt it was doing before. This makes an absolutely crazy difference. These kits unfortunately are currently out of stock. They are coming back in stock in a few weeks' time. The £599 for the kit or the £699 installed by us. If you'd like any more information, then contact the team today on 0330 311 0854.